your Camry. So you have to change the side view mirror. You're not sure, you don't know how to do it, but I'm here to tell you that it's almost as easy as eating cherry pie. Get your screwdriver, come over here and pop that out. Get your 10mm socket right here and just start taking off these nuts. So I just cracked them. Now I'm gonna take them off. Put that nut aside. That nut. That nut, and you got one plug. You just unplug it. That's all you got to do. Come around the side. And there it is. Do the same thing, put it back in. Simple as eating pie.